with Vishnu, and today we will learn about that what is work on the behalf group G's. What is work? There's a difference in the way we use the term work in a day-to-day life and the way we use in science. This make this point clear. Let us consider a few examples. Kamal is preparing for examination. She spends a lot of time in studies. She reads books, draw diagrams, or organizes her thought, collect question paper, attend classes, discuss problem with her friends, and perform experiment. She spends a lot of energy in these activities. In common parlance, she is working hard. All this hard work may involve very little work if we go by the scientific definition of work. Working hard to push a huge rock. Let us say the rock does not move despite all the efforts. You get completely exhausted. However, have you done any work on the rock? There is a displacement of the rock. You stand still for a few minutes with a heavy load on your head. You get tired, you have exerted yourself and spend quite a bit of energy. Are you doing work a lot? We understand the term work. In science, work is not done. You climb up the steps of a staircase and reach the second floor of a building just to see the landscape from there. You may even climb up a tall tree. If we apply the scientific definition, these activities involve a lot of work. In the scientific definition of work is, in physics, work is the energy transferred to form an object via application of force along the displacement. In its simplest form, it is often represented as the product of force and displacement. The formula of work is F into S. This formula can only be applied when the force and displacement are in same direction, but if the force and displacement are not in same direction, then the formula is F into S into cos theta. Theta is the angle between the force and the direction of displacement. For example, the direction of the displacement and the force is in 45-degree angle. Yes, this is possible. Like when we are pushing a trolley bag, we are applying the force slantly 45-degree, but the trolley bag is moving forward. In this case, its theta will be 45 degrees. So cos 45 is equal to 1 by root. So the formula applies F into S into cos theta.
What is energy? Energy is essential to life and all the living organisms. The sun directly or indirectly is the source of all the energy available on earth. In physics, energy is a property that must be transferred to an object in order for it to perform work. Hence, energy is the ability to do work. Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy associated with the object's motion. Objects in motion are capable of causing a change or are capable of doing work. Kinetic energy is equals to half into mass into square of velocity. Potential energy. Potential energy is the energy stored in an object or system of objects. Potential energy has the ability to transfer into a more obvious form of kinetic energy. Potential energy is equals to mgh, where m stands for mass, g for gravitational constant, and h for height. There are various forms of energy such as electrical energy, thermal energy, tidal energy, wave energy, etc. Thank you.
Potential energy of an object at a height. An object increases its energy when raised through a height. This is because work is done on it against gravity while this object is raised. The energy present in such an object is gravitational potential energy. The gravitational potential energy of an object at a point above the ground is defined as the work done in raising it from the ground to the point against gravity. For example, we take a ball at the height h and the mass of the ball is m. So the formula of potential energy will be mgh, which m is the mass, g is the gravity which is 9.8, and the height which is h.